Today I'm going to teach you how to do the laundry. First, you have to separate the colored from the whites. To save soap and water, you should do the white first, then the colored. Prepare all the materials you need to use: basin, water, soap, and brush. So let's start. Let's do the soaking now with water and enough soap. Scrubbing time! Scrub with your hands together. Use brush for stain if needed. After soaking and soaping, rinse with water 2 to 3 times until the water is clear of soap. And squeeze. After making sure there is no more soap, then we dry it. We can use hanger to hang clothes. So that's all. Hope you learned something from my video.